Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to unbox Soundlogic voice assistant wireless neckband headset.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. No. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
Come, let's open and see it. Let's see the box itself. It says this: optimized for Siri and Google Assistant. On the back side, it says that it has an one-touch voice assistant button. Let's test it when we take it out. Let's open the box. It opens like a book. Wow, straight away the headset. We can see the headset on the top. There we can see a standard 2.0 charging port on the headset. Guys, I think the charging port is open, so the headset cannot be used on the rain, and it is also not waterproof or splash proof. On the left side it says that it has Bluetooth connectivity, enhanced bass, built-in mic, one touch connect, and battery, rechargeable battery. And the Soundlogic branding is all over the box. Let's open the box. Let's take the headset from the box. Wow, the headset is on the top. Guys, it is a simple packaging and there is a small package in it. It has a standard 2.0 charging cable. The wire feels cheap, and here are the earbuds. There are two sets of earbuds. I think the small and large are in the cover, and the medium is already on the headset. Let's see what else in the box. And yes, there is an instruction manual in it, and there are some basic instructions. And this card says the special thing about the one touch voice assistant. Okay, we don't need it, let's keep it aside. And the instruction manual says about the headset and how to use it and how to charge it. And there are some basic informations. Okay, let's keep it aside. Now let's take a look at the headset itself. Guys, the earbud feels solid. Wow, it is made of metal. It is too solid. They are not that heavy, but I think you can feel something in your ears. Wow, it also has some magnets on the back of the headset. So when you're not using it, it will not be dangling on your neck. Let's take the headset out. Guys, the headset is so flexible. I think it will not break so easily. The look of the headset is so plasticky and it doesn't look much premium. And on the right side you have the power button and two volume buttons. The power button will also function as call answering and call ending. And the volume buttons are used to change soundtracks. Let's see where the voice assistant button is. Guys, the voice assistant button is on the left side, and there is a Soundlogic branding. The headset, the only thing is the headset feels so plasticky, and it has two chrome finished plastic tips on the headset. Guys, it is not metal, it is a chrome finished plastic. The wire from the headset is good. Okay guys, let's power on the headset. To power on, press and hold the power button, and you can see the blue light blinking. I hope you guys can see. Here. The camera is not focusing well. There it is. And guys, it directly enters to the parroting mode, so you no need to press like other headset. Let's connect the headset to the phone. Guys, the headset is named as SL Bluetooth. Once you tap it, it will be automatically connected. Wow, it is so fast. It has already connected. Let's test out the Google Assistant. Soundlogic claims that it is special for one-touch voice assistant. Let's test it out, whether it works or not. Wow, instantly the Google Assistant pops up on your phone. Let's test it again. See? Guys, really the one-touch voice assistant works fine without any issues. When you press that button, the Google Assistant comes without any issues. I like this feature. I think it can be used when you're riding bikes. You no need to long press some function buttons to access the voice assistant. Just one press, you will hear a beep. You will hear a beep on your headset, and you can command your assistant. Guys, the charging port is exposed outside. I'm a bit worried about it because the headset cannot be used in the light rain also, I think, because the charging port is exposed outside, and it is also not waterproof. Guys, I will not recommend you to use on rain. Guys, I have tested the headset for some time, and the sound quality from the headset is good, but not like the Sony headset which I have already. Compared to Sony headset, if Sony headset is going to be like 10, I will rate this as 6, because the Sony headset is 2 times the price of this headset, and compared to the price point of this headset, the sound and bass is good. And I have also tested some phone calls with this headset. There is no disturbance in the microphone and within the connectivity of the Bluetooth. The headset works fine with the call, and the microphone is good. With Sony headset, I have faced some issue with the microphone. There is a disturbance when you use it, but it is not too often, but that's okay. This headset performs well in that. Guys, this headset can be used while jogging or walking when you're going to perform any physical workouts. It is so flexible, and you can also use this headset while riding in your helmets, because there is no any controls on the wire itself. All the controls are mounted in the headset itself, on the band itself, neckband itself, so you will not face any issue while wearing in your helmets. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up And if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos. Bye.